On the way back from taking my grandson to school this morning, I run across a couple of curbside deals. I wasn't out scrapping because actually I'm not supposed to be scrapping according to my daughter. But anyway, this was the first one I come across, and it wasn't a whole lot, but it was interesting, you know. Got a paper shredder out of the deal, and a real nice Christmas cookie jar, some bowls that I like because they're made to pour stuff out. It's got a little spout on it, and the whole set of them, and a set of little Christmas trees still in the box. But you might enjoy that. But that was my first score, and then I got a second one coming up. So looky here. I'll take that, whatever it is. My daughter will kill me. What is that white thing? That's a paper shredder. That's bowls. I'll take them. I'll take that. That's pretty neat. That's a two-piece. Now that, I'll have to put the camera down. A second little score I come up with today, daggone, it was another grocery deal, and I got quite a bit of stuff out of there. A lot of stuff wasn't unopened. Looks like somebody, when I see stuff pile out like that, I'm wondering if people got kicked out or what. You know, I don't know. And I feel kind of bad for them if they did and had to lose a lot of stuff, but you know, it still would be no reason for me to leave perfectly good groceries sitting there. So I got another grocery score, and I took it home. I brought it home. I'll take all that I can get. Every time I can bring something in like that, that's just $1, $2, or $3 we don't have to spend for groceries. So I'm not letting it go to the landfill if it's, you know, worth taking home. But tell me what you think. I want those comments. Anytime I see a pile of something like that sitting on the side of the road, I can't help myself. I gotta stop and look. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do. And of course I was just running a quick errand and I'm in my PJs. Oh Lord. Let's see what, probably just trash. Well, there's some cans and I am saving cans. Dang. Charcoal. Clothes. Looks like this is going to be mostly garbage. Actually, 100% garbage. But you know what? I will, since I'm here, I wish I had something to put them cans in. Somebody's got moved out. Take that salt. I thought she cleaned this car out. Bunch of shoes in there. I got the cans. Boy, somebody had the cigarette habit bad. Now, well, crap. Look at that. That's a bag of potatoes. I don't even think it's been opened. They look fresh. I'm going to take them. I don't want that coffee cream. Don't want that. We'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that. I'll take that. Take that. Take that. And here, that's not even been open. I'll take that. That. Raisin Bran ain't even been open. I'll take that. That's not even been open. Oh crap. I'm gonna take that. My daughter makes in the mornings when I take my grandson, the 10-year-old, to school, we have about a 15-20 minute wait there in line. And it occurred to me to start video taping some of the stuff that he talks about. And I'm going to do that every morning now. Some mornings it might not be worth anything, but then some mornings, like this morning, he all of a sudden started asking me about what I did back when I went to school, what grade I was, what, you know, and stuff like that, and asking me what I wanted to be when I grew up, stuff like that. And he just comes up with stuff like that sometimes. It kind of amazes me that he asks stuff like that occasionally, but so I videotaped it, and it's kind of interesting, you know. Well, it is to me. I hope it is to you. But I'm going to start taping that every daggone morning, because some mornings he comes up with some stuff that I just can't believe he's asking me. And it's really stuff that I wish I could have asked my granddad. But back in that day, grandparents and grandkids didn't have the same type of relationship that some grandparents and kids have now. I know it's just different. But anyway, I hope you enjoy that little part. Leave me some comments if you want. I would like to know what you think about that. I like to think he's an extra smart kid, but then I'm kind of biased there, you know, so. But he is a smart kid. Matter of fact, they want him to go to one of them magnet schools this next school year. We haven't decided, that's a lot of extra hard work. And we haven't decided whether we're going to go for that or not. But anyway, I hope you enjoy this little part. I was going to take a recording, but...
Pop.
What? What?
I have a question for you.
Well, let's hear it.
The question is, how long have you been going to school when you were a kid? And when did you stop going to it?
I stopped going in the 11th grade.
And is the 11th grade the highest grade it goes to?
No, 12th grade.
Is that college?
No, that's school. I didn't go. The only thing like college I went to something called, what was that? Catawba Technical Institute to learn all about how to cut fabric and make patterns and stuff for furniture. That wasn't really, it was kind of like college.
So, if you stopped at 11th grade, do you know the time when you stopped going to the school? Like the time period, like 2018? Or
yeah, I know exactly the year.
What is it?
1956.
1956. And when did you start school? Like first starting it?
First grade. When I started school, they didn't have kindergarten. And I started school in 1947.
So that means you've been in school for 11 years.
Yeah. 11 years. Yeah, I didn't think I needed any education. I thought I was smart. Actually, I won't.
Okay. I have another question.
Well, let's hear the question.
Okay. So, this is I think it's going to be another period of questions.
Yeah.
But the question is, what was you wanting to be while you were little in school?
I thought I wanted to be a preacher of a church.
But instead,
Well,
I'm pretty sure I had you say something about Walmart.
Walmart. There wasn't any Walmarts back then.
I know that. But what were you wanting to be?
There was a little bit of time there I wanted to be an architect. Then I wanted to be a professional soldier and join the army.
Which is what you did.
I did for 3 years. 4 years, actually.
Do you get any money for serving the army?
Yeah.
How much?
Back then, when I first went in, it was $78 a month.
Wow.
Your mama makes that in one day.
Wow.
And I was getting $78 a month. When I was discharged, I was only getting like $140 a month.
That's still good.
That was not much money, but when you're in the army like that, you don't have to buy no clothes, you don't have to pay no medical bills, you don't have to buy food, you don't have to pay rent, you don't have to do any of that. They take care of everything.
Wow.
Which wasn't bad. Wasn't bad.
Oh, that's all the questions I got.
Huh?
That's all the questions I got.
That's all the questions you got?
Yeah.
Well, let's talk about Zoe.
Again.
Who is Zoe?
I don't know the one you're talking about.
The redhead.
There's another redhead Zoe. There's two of them.
Oh, man.
It's 'cause there's two of them.
You know who I'm talking about. She's in your class.
I don't have a Zoe in my class.
Well, but she was in your class last year then.
No. She wasn't.
Well, how did you know Zoe?
'Cause I'm pretty sure I know her for 3rd or 2nd grade.
Well, she's just a friend, right?
Yeah.
I figured that. What's holding this line up? Is that... What time does that say?
13. Oh, come on. Put it back on. It felt so good. Hell, cold. I need it.
What? I wonder what's going on with the teacher parking anyway, huh?
All I see is one car.
Yeah, and they're fixing to move.